Good morning. President Trump announced last night in an address to the nation, travel from 26 European countries to the United States will be suspended for 1 month.
KRCG 13's Gracie Matisse joins us live in the studio to tell us more about the president's address from the Oval Office.
Tony and Megan, good morning. The president says the restrictions will not apply to travel from the United Kingdom or to cargo shipments from Europe to the U.S. Only passenger travel from Europe to the United States will be suspended for 30 days starting Saturday. In the address, President Trump says there will be exemptions for, quote, Americans who have undergone appropriate screenings. The administration will be monitoring the situation closely, and there is a possibility of lifting the restrictions earlier.
A large number of new clusters in the United States were seeded by travelers from Europe.
Toilet paper in return for ice cream?
If you bring in a roll of toilet paper, you get 1 free scoop of ice cream.
The idea came to those working at the ice cream factory after they noticed toilet paper was becoming more and more hard to come by.
We're planning on donating it after our thing's all said and done.
But the idea didn't just come to those at the ice cream factory.
We were at Sam's Club this morning getting a couple odds and ends, and we saw a bunch of people freaking out over toilet paper. And you keep seeing it all over social media, that everywhere is sold out of toilet paper.
Workers at McClank's Family Restaurant and Catering say they also saw the toilet paper shortage and wanted to have some fun with customers. Not by asking for toilet paper, instead giving it away with every meal.
With COVID-19 spreading throughout the country, several gyms are working to make sure the facilities where people go to stay healthy don't end up making them sick.
I think there's always a concern about any sickness or illness. We've asked our staff to be a little more frequent with their cleaning. We've posted some information to our members, making sure that they understand they need to help out, wipe equipment down after they're done.
Jefferson City YMCA and other gyms in the area have increased the frequency of machine sanitation and have asked for visitors to be conscientious about cleaning up after themselves. Jansen said so far, it's been business as usual.
We've been a place that's been proactive about cleaning and keeping things nice, so I don't know that our members have decided not to come in because of this at this point.
The Jefferson City Parks Department said until a reported case of COVID-19 is found in the area, their response, though elevated, has been similar to what they do every spring.
This is something we combat every year with the flu season. You know, we remind patrons to wipe down their equipment, not share towels, don't share wipes, the antibacterial wipes.
Still, Griffith knows it could get worse and knows that restrictions could get more severe as COVID-19 continues to spread.
Collecting a swab sample for a coronavirus test kit only takes a few seconds. Doctors put a long cotton swab inside a patient's nose to collect a test sample. Test results are available within 2 to 7 days. Big Tree Medical Home doctors must use California testing facilities, even though testing facilities in Jefferson City are much closer. Doctors must use the testing company that provides the test kits.
A 2-day turnaround time is pretty quick. I think as time goes on, we're going to get more supplies. As time goes on, we'll get more access to things, but this is all very, very new.
Coronavirus test kits are only for patients meeting CDC guidelines. Symptoms include fever, cough, and difficulty breathing. Someone in close contact with a person known to have COVID-19 or have recently traveled from an area with ongoing spread of COVID-19 are also eligible for testing.
Not a lot of places have the kits, so this is very, very new. I think as time goes on, we'll start getting more, but at this time we only have 20 kits.